Hello guys, so today guys we have the new lens from my Leica, the Sigma 24 f1.4. Yeah, this is one guys, the 24 f1.4 from L mount, which is for Leica and Panasonic mounting. So let's check and test the lens with the Leica SL. So tara, unboxing natin kagad. So ito siya guys, ang lens. Typical Sigma lens. Of course, yan the art lens, art series, and 77mm diameter for your filter thread. So, yan. Check natin kagad guys. Ito siya ang ating L mount, of course, with warranty ng gusot-gusot. Okay. And, yan. Ito yung mga natin, of course, with the bag, with the pouch. At, yan. Meron ka ditong belt for the pouch, of course. So, yan guys. And this is the lens, of course, with the hood. Yan ang lens. And this is the filter hood. Yes, guys. So this is the lens. Of course, you have the AF, MF, focus button, switch buttons. Yan. And yan, napaka-minimal lang guys. So, made in Japan. Art series. Ayan. Alam, makikita nyo guys, ito yung mga reading sa focusing natin distance. And the lens itself with the cap which is 77mm filter thread. So, ayan guys, let's put in the Leica SL and check some sample photos, portrait, and let's try some night shot. So, tara. And again guys, so this is Leica SL with the Sigma 24 1.4 L mount, which is for L series type of camera, which is the Panasonic L mount, which is S1R or something, and of course the Leica SL 1, 2, and there's a new one for the Leica SL. This is a L mount again, and the Sigma FP series also a L mount. Again guys, we tried already with the 24mm in outdoor, in the broad daylight of course. You have the shutter, I used the shutter around 16,000 I believe, with the 1.4 aperture. So and guys, even if you don't have any filter thread variable, so still sharp from the edges and from the center. So ayan, you just avoid na lang to more closer to the subject, so it will not distort yung mukha nila or the face. So again guys, I love the camera. I love the lens, of course. It's fit for the SL, which is, ayun guys, ang laki. It's too heavy, but it's very nice. It's fit, and I like the size together with the SL and the Sigma 24 1.4. So ayun guys, I think that's it for today. I show you already all the sample photos from daylight and night. So, ayan, even at night, it's very sharp, and yun, it's 1.4, so it's amazing lens. So, again guys, if you are looking for a wide lens and for street photography lens, 24mm is one of the best lens. So, either 23, 24, or yan. But 24 guys with 1.4 is very nice, especially in low light. And again guys, the 24mm 1.4 is one of the best lens, especially for landscape or street. Ayun. So for everyday lens. Even for portrait you can use, but again, beware for taking very close to the subject para di siya ma-distort. So yan guys, I think that's it for today. Again, I'll show you all the sample photos from the lens itself, Which at 24mm, it's very sharp guys. So nakakita ko sa iPad, ang ganda. Tignan. So ayun guys, I think that's it for today. Flex time first, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shoutout to all the admin at members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang ating cameraman ngayon, si Brian. Punta na. Ito, picturean natin. Sample natin dito. Kaso, ayan Kaso blurred siya. So, i-blurred na lang kasi naka 1.4 tayo. Yan. So, yan. Shoutout kay Brian Puntanar, kay Palaboy FW. Ayun, thank you. And of course, if you want to check the lens, if you want to try the lens, you can visit us here in Symphony Showroom, AAB World, yun. Or if you want to purchase online, you can check our website, www.aabworld.com. All the Sigma lenses, guys, we have available there in our website. So, thank you.